Hi, Scott Henderson here, aka Scotty Hendo. Excited today. We are at the Indy 5G Summit. What's 5G? That's a great question. 5G wireless technologies, the next generation of wireless internet. A lot of potential, a lot of hype, a lot of questions, a lot of policy. What's the potential here? What's possible? You know what? I don't have all the answers, but I got a room full of people made up of university, business, and government leaders who are going to talk about it at the Indy 5G Summit. So let's go ask them, what's the big deal about 5G and what's possible? Follow me.
So I am really excited about 5G because 5G is coming. It's coming like a freight train. Virtual reality, augmented reality, autonomous vehicles, hotspots in the home that require no fiber to the home. Remember, on 4G, that's where Airbnb and applications like Uber, really came to light. And we don't even know what those applications are going to look like for 5G.
5G is critical for all other disruptive technologies, along with a resilient grid and a secure network. With 5G, everything else is possible.
I'm excited about 5G because I work in the automotive technology space, and I think that having any new technology that makes the state of Indiana more competitive with our technology companies, our automotive companies, and our university partners is a wonderful thing.
Indy is speedy. It takes the private sector, the universities, and the government work together to accelerate 5G. And here in downtown Indy, we have the best assets in all of them. So this is a super exciting day for all of us.
Whoa, that was a day. We just spent about 2 hours with 55 people from industry, from academics, and from government, who all have been, aware of the opportunity that the 5G network technologies offer. And we've had Congresswoman Susan Brooks, who's the head of the 5G caucus in the House, talk about what's happening on the federal level, but also here on the state level, and the policies that have been put in place. We had representatives from AT&T and Verizon who have deployed 5G here in Indianapolis. We had someone who's really strong on understanding the technology field and the policies that are there. Brett Swanson shared a couple of interesting stats. First off, 70% of our economy is getting 30% of the investment. That's our traditional business. Digital technology, which is only 30% of the economy, is getting 70% of the investment. 5G technologies actually is all for that traditional business. Our traditional industries actually will benefit the most from 5G. It's a whole new infrastructure, right? So, there's just so much to tell you about what came out of the Indy 5G Summit. Great news is we had a unanimous resolution passed, and the statement that the declaration that we have made, this call to action, is we together, these industry players, academic players, and government leaders, are committed to making sure that Indianapolis and Indiana will become a global center for 5G technology. So this is just the beginning. This is why we're covering it. That's why we want you to know about the Indy 5G Summit. Indiana's got an amazing network of business leaders and government leaders who are used to coming together with universities to do big things. So keep your eyes on 5G. We'll make sure to keep you updated what we're doing. But the Indy 5G Summit, which happened on 6/7, so 5, 6, 7, that's going to go down in history. Mark my words.